Well, first I want to ask for forgiveness, no beg, because I'm a little late in releasing the course that I've promised to release, and it is now here. And secondly, I am the worst salesman ever, so please, please, please forgive me again. The course that I just released is all about advanced tools, we'll say intermediate, more advanced stuff. And the way I view advanced courses, again, terrible salesman, is that they are delineated as such because in some way the tools aren't necessarily used often, or there are some nuances that the user needs to understand and why before those tools are used. So some tools are classified as advanced simply for that, and then there are some genuinely advanced tools. Now, if we take a look at my CAD campus, come in here, we'll go to View Products, and go to the second page. Right over here, Advanced Tools and Methods. Now, I'm not a huge fan of, again, these tiny little pockets of delineation that cost a ton of money to learn something that could be very useful for someone. So what I've done is set this up in such a way where, okay, we got advanced sketcher tools, and I can speak, and methods. So I get into on path, how to set up reuse, a lot of things. And there's going to be more added to this. This is not just a one and done. There are more advanced things going on, like groups and how to create sketch groups and put things together and talk deeply about that, as well as other things that need to be talked about. Now, organization tools and methods. I get into design groups and how I use NX. I talk about things that are very useful that a lot of people do not use, like delayed updates and why you want to use delayed updates. Those things can make your modeling experience 1,000 times better, especially if you have a large model that takes time to update. I get into how to order the tree using delay updates, and sometimes you can set up the tree in such a way where delayed updates just automatically happen with or without the tool turned on. And again, this can save hours of doing modifications on large parts. And I'm not joking when I say that. These are things that I do daily because they are super powerful. There's a free preview right over here too. So I also have another couple free previews down here under assembly, joints, and couplers. So there's not a lot of material out there from what I can tell, unless you pay $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, some ridiculous amount of money for advanced assembly tools. Now, mind you, there are some things I would consider advanced, but these I would put them more into the slightly intermediate, and they lead into the kinemat stuff. So if you understand these tools, what a joint is and how it operates, what a coupler is and how they operate, then you can set up kinemats in your assembly. You won't have all of the sensors and all the other things that the actual motion application has. But if you go into the motion application, all of these things will translate there and can be used there as well. So this is kind of the gateway into all of that. And again, I will be adding more stuff in here as I gain access to additional tools. So this course is going to be, in a sense, perpetually updated because, like I said, there are a lot of things that, like, I could, in essence, make all of these different courses, but I really don't want to do that. I think it's just nice to have, for stuff like this, a one and done. Now, there will be advanced surfacing courses that come out, Class A stuff, big courses, and those will be separate because now you're getting deep into methods and that kind of thing. But stuff like this where, again, I'd almost consider all of this stuff, except for maybe a couple of things, intermediate level tools that are super useful. And, I'm not going to, I don't like charging a ton for all this stuff. I happen to know for a fact that if you're going to take these courses out of other libraries, you'd be paying an exorbitant amount of money. Again, thousands for these things. So that's why I'm trying to get this out to as many people that want this stuff, that can find this stuff useful. And some of this, like I said, these things right over here, this is quite literally how I design. And I'll be adding more to quite literally how I design. And I'm not saying my methods are coming from the mind of absolute greatness, but I know from other people that have watched me work over the years, or other places that I do actual design work in with the way I structure my models, a lot of people take those models and use those as references to start designing in said fashion. I know that is an absolute fact because I hear it a lot, and I'm very proud of that. And I want to say thank you to everybody that lets me know that. It really means a lot to me. I do have a fond appreciation for good modeling practice, and I think it's one of those things that should not cost $1 million to relay, because it just makes everything better for everyone. And like I said, this is another thing that these are my methods. This is what I've come up with, how I choose to design. I find them very useful. It's, not joking, saved me dozens and dozens of hours, probably hundreds of hours over the years since design groups were introduced. The delay updates and all the other stuff have been there. And again, I'll be adding stuff to this and improving this as well. First, I want to say thank you to everybody here on YouTube for watching my content. I really appreciate that, and it helps me out if you subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed, as well as liking and sharing the video, and I appreciate comments. We get into some deep in the weeds content in there, which helps inspire me to make more of this type of stuff, and without you, I couldn't be doing this. And secondly, a special shout out and thank you to all of the people that have taken my courses. I really appreciate that. I've gotten a ton of positive feedback, and it means the world to me when people actually get something out of the material that they order and share that they've gotten something out of it. I really, really appreciate it. Again, thanks.